A mini concert will be held outside the gates of RTE this evening in an act of solidarity with the people of Gaza. That's ahead of the Eurovision Song Contest next week. Zoe Lawler is the chair of the Irish-Palestinian Solidarity Campaign and had this to say.
You know, the Israeli president has said how important Eurovision is to Israel's image. So we don't accept them having a platform to artwash their crimes.
Well, I think it would take a lot more than a 3-minute performance on the Malmo stage to obliterate the images from the Israeli occupation of Gaza, or indeed the images from October the 7th. Anyway, Ireland's representative Bambi Thug believes it's important to have pro-Palestinian support visible on the Eurovision stage. So one way or the other, there will be a political dimension. And don't forget, Ukraine won the song contest after the Russian invasion of their country, even though the Ukrainian entry was far from being the most compelling song. So the show will go on with or without Ireland or Israel. Do you expect some sort of demos on the stage?
On the stage, I wouldn't say so. I'd say, the countries have kind of, themselves, the broadcasters have said to the acts, keep to what you have in a sense. The artists have contracts. They are under contracts. So they don't want to break them. And, in a way, the contest is supposed to be apolitical.
And if anything happens on stage, what would the organisers, the EBU, do? Would they just simply disqualify them and take them out of the voting?
Quite possibly. I'd say that is a potential thing. But again, I feel like countries won't risk that. I feel like they'll do something outside of the contest. There's demonstrations planned outside the arena and different areas.
Press conferences and so on, and
exactly.
make their points there.
Yeah.
There's also, if anything should happen on stage, I mean, they do record the dress rehearsal before. So in theory, they can sync everything up. Once a performance starts, the track is the same. It's 3 minutes long, precisely.
Exactly.
They can sync up and they can actually instantly flick to the pre-recorded performance by the artist.
And we've had a history of that in a way. Only one really main example from 2021 when Iceland, obviously, a member of their delegation contracted COVID and they were all self-isolating. So they had to play the rehearsal clip. No audience, but it still did very well.